Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Apple, your Ilongga vlogger. For today's video, we're making the Choco pie. Okay, so ito na guys. Here are the ingredients that we need. Loaf bread, breadcrumbs, chocolate, and of course, the eggs. So, come on, let's start. Okay, so here we go guys. Wala akong rolling pin, so I'm using this plastic na glass as my rolling pin. Flatten out the loaf bread. Actually, we need 2 loaf breads and then slice nyo na yung chocolates nyo. So, first layer, loaf bread, and then sa middle, ilagay yung chocolates and then top it with another loaf bread. Now, after nating ilagay yung loaf bread at saka chocolate, yung opening ng baso, yun yung gagawin nating hulmahan. So, just what I am doing here, you just have to press it in completely para ma-press yung both sides ng loaf bread. And then, it should look like this, guys. Kita nyo na, yung chocolate nasa loob siya. And you have to do this to the rest of your loaf bread and chocolates. Pag may nakita kayong isang part na medyo na-open siya, just press it in again using the opening ng baso or ng glass and magdidikit na sila. Magkakadikit na sila. So, yun guys. And then of course, meron tayong mga sobrang loaf bread. Just go ahead and gather them together. And actually, instead of me using the breadcrumbs na meron ako kanina, I decided to use the remaining parts of the loaf bread as my breadcrumbs. So, meron akong grinder, guys. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. And I'm gonna go ahead and grind the remaining parts ng loaf bread. I'm using it as my breadcrumbs. And yun nga ulit guys, yung grinder ko na to, mura lang yung bili ko nito sa Shopee. I think it's 400 pesos something. So, yeah, sulit naman siya, malaki. Pwedeng kang mag-grind ng kahit anong pagkain dito. So, ito na siya guys. Tapos na nating i-grind yung remaining na loaf bread. Tingnan nyo, pinong-pino siya. Mukha na siyang breadcrumb. So, I'm not gonna use that one anymore. Instead, I'm using this DIY na breadcrumbs. And then of course, let's just transfer the breadcrumbs sa ating plate. Now, let's grab the egg. 1 egg lang yung ginamit ko guys kasi 6 pieces lang yung magiging choco pie natin. So, dip the loaf bread sa ating egg. Make sure na fully covered siya para basa lahat dapat. And then, after dipping it sa egg, you can go ahead and dip it sa ating DIY breadcrumbs, just like this. Make sure na buong sides niya is covered. Of course, do the same steps sa remaining na choco pie natin. Dip sa egg and then dip mo ulit sa breadcrumbs. Paulit-ulit lang naman yan eh. Hindi ka na ba nasanay na paulit-ulit lang tayo? Tsareng! Yun. Oh, nag-cringe ka na ba? Ang corny ni ate. Sige, tawa mo lang yan. Okay, so ito na siya guys. Tapos na natin gawin. Tapos na natin i-dip. And then we're ready to fry it. Ito na, magpa-fry na tayo ng ating choco pie. Use medium heat lang sa pag-fry guys para hindi siya masunog. Kasi ako, nasunog ko siya. Hindi naman masyado. Masarap pa rin siya. So, once you're done frying, put it in a serving plate. Ito na ang ating choco pie. So, let's go ahead and taste it. Now, here's our homemade choco pie. You can do this on your own, guys. Don't forget to comment down below if gumawa kayo ng sariling version nyo ng homemade choco pie. Just look at how the chocolate melted inside it. It really is delicious. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Also, pag bago kayo sa aking channel, pakiclick na rin ang subscribe button below. Meron kayong mga request na video, comment down below lang, guys. Thank you so much again and see you on my next video. Bye! How does it taste?
It tastes yummy. I like chocolate.
Show it. Is it crunchy?